guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Zanele Sibui, also known as Zani_S on all social media platforms, being Instagram and TikTok only. Come with me to go hiking. So in case you're wondering why my skin is so shiny, it's because I've got sunscreen on, and yeah, I always get shiny. But anyways guys, I'm warming up the car. We're on our way to see it, and then yeah, let's go. Sangena. Guys, we finally made it to KingsKloof hiking. So I didn't capture a clip of us driving on our way to here, but there we are entering the parking lot. Look at those cars. It's like everyone decided to come hiking today, right? But anyways, we just got here and we are excited. Actually, let me just ask them if they're excited or not. Is you excited? You ready for the hike?
You know me, I'm always hungry.
Yes! Hey mama, are you excited for the hike? Hey, so they sell handmade hiking sticks that retail for 60 rand, and those are the ticket fees and rules, of course. And those are the hiking trails. We decided to do the moderate to hard one. Let's get it. So we bought the tickets. I think the tags all come in one color because I just noticed everyone's hand is yellow. And that's Sihle assisting me in putting a ticket on my hand. Thank you so much, girl, because I explained that I wanted to take a video of that moment. Girlies, up. Thank you so much. Aspangenige. All right. And then imloyo ngamba nama Power Rangers. Hi Msila. Yes girl. Hey Sihle. Yes girl. Hey Tumelo. Hey, ayos pangene imloyo. Mwah. Amazing. Guys, we're tired. We've been walking for how many hours?
1 hour 30 minutes.
1 hour 30 minutes. And anyways guys, we'll update you, or you'll see before we get to the end of the trail. But yeah, this is us. We are so tired. Actually I am. Everyone is ready to continue. I'm dying.
It's better, man.
Bye. Please.
guys, so at this point I feel like I am fighting for my life, but we still have more 3 kilometers, 3 kilometers to go, and then that's it. Soldier on. To go. Guys, that's the end of the hike. I made it alive. But anyways, I made it to the end. Hi guys, so I am currently busy editing my hiking vlog. So I got an email this morning that I'm going to get my Temu package, and I thought to myself, I've never done, is it called an unboxing or unpacking? Anyways, I've never done it with you. This is gonna be my first. Okay, first I ordered a handheld electric mixer, 4 pieces of silk bonnets, and I ordered, oh actually the reason why I made this purchase is because I needed a microphone. The microphone was on special, you know, all those clickbait ads saying it's on special for 115. Yeah, so I bought the wireless microphones. So okay, let me open and see exactly what is inside and how it's working. I'll make sure I put the details in the description. I placed this order on the 2nd of February, which was on a I don't quite remember. Today is the 10th. As you can see, today's the 10th of February, and actually an estimation of my parcel being delivered is on the 19th of February. And they also give you, and they emphasize this a lot all the time on Temu, that if you don't get your order delivered on that day that they estimated for you, you're gonna get 20 rand credit back. So I don't know if it's true. Anyways guys, let's get into it. Let's open. I'm excited. I'm excited. I don't have a microphone. Okay, this is how small the package is. And when it comes to customs and everything, I think I know how to calculate it. I don't know, because whenever I explain it to people, it's never that price, and whenever I calculate it's never really that price. But yeah, anyways, these are the 4 satin bonnets. They come in 4 colors, so it's got beige, it's got, I think it's blue. It's blue and blue, guys. What do you think? It's blue and blue, man. It's really blue and blue. So it's pink. This pink, I'm not really happy with this pink, but it's not like I'm gonna wear this because I think I get. So we're fine. We're happy. I just needed a variety of colors, so I bought these 4 silk bonnets for 64.99. I think it was on a special. You know how Temu prices are. This is actually the reason why we made an order, guys. So I've been looking for a wireless microphone, but more especially for my voiceovers, because I'm quite skeptical. I've watched it from different devices, and I've went to other people's houses and tried to see if I can hear myself and the volume is fine. But either way, I had to jump on this one. I had to buy this. I had to buy this. It's the wireless Lavalier microphone, right? And I had to buy an iOS one for my phone. And there it is. Oh, it's so nice and portable. It's giving podcast vibes. Never mind this, no? Focus, yeah. Or organza. And okay, I can't put it back. I can actually. I bought this foam stick, electrical foam stick. I'm not sure if it comes with a battery, but I think it does not come with the battery. So this is the button where you press and it goes and it stirs. It makes a foam. And there are no batteries inside, of which there are supposed to be batteries inside. Temu, huh? Ah, Temu. Ooh, Temu. I'm joking. But yeah, that's it. So that's what 208 can get you for those clickbait. Spin the wheel. Order for 100 rand now. And then you order an item for 100 rand and then they say add 20 more. Oh, Temu, guys. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching up until this end. And let me get back to editing this video that I just took and uploading. Thank you so much. A special thank you to my 70+ followers. Welcome to the family. You have no idea how grateful I am. Go on with it.